Ito napalit. Hmm. Tanaw to sa ilang mga baligya diri mga ka-amazing ka-pads and mads. Ilang rugs katag 1.50 pounds. So nice, big siya nga rug. 'Di ba? Oh, different design, different color. Napod rugs. 2 for 8 pounds. Nice, so nice. Nice siya. And then also na ay blue mat. Blue mat, red mat. Blue mat kay 2 pounds. Na red mat kay 1 pound. Naputay machine washable mat. Oh, nice siya. Tag 5 pounds. Duh, big no. Dog beds. Wow, dog beds. Ah, cute. Naputay toys sa mga dog. Tag 3 koan. 3 pounds, 2 for 5 pounds, 5 for 10 pounds. Oh, still. Pet beds. Oh, pet. Yung cat. Pwede pan dog. Crates. Night coat hangers. In Jack Bunting. England flag. Amazing. Mas lang mga tools diri. Agent 2. Nice one. I'm gonna check. Windliners 3 pounds. Windmills. Ah, cute. Oh. Mapuan. Tag 1 pound. Jumbo pillow 7 pounds. Ben's cushions. Lang belt 1 pound. Fans. Oh, 2 pounds. What is siya? Kung sa top na siya is 160 pesos. Ng table, picnic table, 60 pounds, round and square. Napot sila folding cart, 85 pounds. Gloves, sweepers for 2 pounds. Amazing. Circle bucket, castle bucket, super bucket, tag 5, 4 and 5 pounds. Baby shark. Pepper. Pig. Water guns. Para sa paddling. Pool. Spades. Garden games. Really nice. It's a nice. Amazing. Cool bag. Beach blanket 6 pounds. Nice one. Very nice. Na may inside. Are inside sulod. Insulated bottle 2.50 pounds. Fly catchers. Wow, 1 point. It's a lot here inside. Washing liquid 1.25. It's a lot. Hair clip 645 pounds. Oh, so nice. Love bags. Kadagko sa bags. 1.29 pounds.